Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to continue our Christmas in July series with our very last recipe for this series. And we're going to be using our homemade bulk sugar cookie mix, and we're going to make some traditional Christmas snickerdoodles. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm Noreen, and this is my kitchen. We're continuing on with our Christmas in July series, and this will be a wrap up today, our last Christmas in July recipe. We're moving on to a new series next week, but today we're going to use another one of our homemade bulk sugar cookie mixes, and we're going to make some snickerdoodles because this is probably one of the most festive Christmas cookies you can make. Cinnamon, sugar, delicious vanilla cookie, and it's super easy to make. Today we're going to be using the OG KitchenAid mixer, and I'm going to go over all the ingredients before we get rolling. First, you're going to need one of my bulk sugar cookie mixes. If you didn't see that video, I'll leave a link. There'll be a card and a link down below. 1 stick of softened butter, that's a half a cup of butter, and 1 egg. We're going to add to that 1 4-serving box of instant vanilla pudding. I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract as well as about a 1/4 cup of water. And I have a teaspoon of cinnamon to go in the cookie dough. After we get the cookies all scooped and ready to go, we're going to roll them in some cinnamon sugar, and then we're going to flatten them with the bottom of a mason jar because I don't want these cookies to be puffy. I want them to be traditional flat snickerdoodles, and these are not going to spread a super lot when you bake them in the oven, so you want to go ahead and give them a little nudge to get them going. So I'm going to clear, we're going to come back with the mixer, and we're going to mix this cookie dough up. I went ahead and put my sugar cookie mix in the bowl, and now I'm going to just put the vanilla pudding in there, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a whirl. That way it just gets everything mixed together evenly. Then we're going to add everything else. So do the cinnamon. I'm going to go ahead and disperse the cinnamon as well. Then we're going to go ahead and add all of our other ingredients. So I've got a stick of softened butter. That goes in. Our egg, which I broke in advance and made sure there were no shells. And our vanilla and water. Okay, now all we have to do is lock her down and let her go. And just like that, our cookie dough is ready to go. Okay, I'm going to clear the mixer out of the way, and when I come back, we will start scooping cookies. All right, so I got started. I have a baking sheet with parchment paper. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And I have scooped a few of the cookies out, and then over here I have a couple waiting and in the cinnamon sugar tray. So all we're going to do now is give them a gentle push. And because they're already coated with cinnamon sugar, they should release from the bottom of your glass or jar pretty easily. So, all you have to do is roll these right in the cinnamon sugar. You don't have to, pre-roll these in your hands. I just don't think it's necessary since we're squashing them with a jar anyway. And I am using the number 40 cookie scoop. I will leave a link if you guys are interested to a really nice 3-piece scoop set. Has 3 different sizes that are great to have on hand. I think but I linked it in the last cookie video that we did. So I'll be sure and link it in this one as well. I'm going to finish scooping these out and pressing them down, and I'll be back right before we put them in the oven. Okay, I've got these all scooped out, and I just have to press down the rest of them. And I want to mention too, the scoop really helps to, evenly distribute your cookies and make sure that they're all similar size. When you're pressing them down, make sure that you do that as well. Make sure that you're making all the cookies approximately the same size. And when we were off camera, Rick said, I was going to say what did you say it?
Growing up, those are our ice cream scoops.
Right. He told me that he didn't get a chance to say it because I talk fast and there's never time to get a word in edgewise. It's a flaw. I'll give you that. But I'm going to put these in the 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And when they're done, I'll bring you back and I'll show you the finished product. Well, there you have it. These were in the oven for 10 minutes and they came out perfect. They are so beautiful. I even impressed myself, I might say. We're going to go ahead and break one open and I'm going to have Rick give it a taste. And so let's do that. They're still nice and look at that, just broken right open, nice and soft in the center, a little bit crispy on the outside from the sugar that baked into the dough. And are you ready? What do you think?
Delicious.
Oh, those are wonderful. You guys, you're going to really like these.
You're gonna love them.
Okay. You can store these in an airtight container or a zip top bag. They're going to be good for, I say, up to a week, but honestly, they're not going to last that long.
Nope, they won't.
So delicious. So simple.
You're not lasting a night.
Yes, they will. They really do taste like a traditional Snickerdoodle and so satisfying and so easy with our homemade bulk mix. You can whip these out super fast. Honestly, they took no time at all. So I hope that you give this a try and I hope you learned something. If you liked the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please hit the subscribe button, the bell notification button, so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. And even if you think you are already a subscriber and have been for many years, please be sure and triple check because sometimes you just get unsubscribed. Because I'm really trying to rebuild my channel here after being absent-ish for 2 years with my hips. And anything you can do will help me out immensely. Also, be sure if you see it down there, the hype button says, we really like this video and we think everyone else will too. And that helps YouTube to know that they should all be visiting my kitchen to see exactly what I'm doing whenever I upload. So you guys, thank you so much for everything. This is the end of our Christmas in July series. Next week, we're going to start something new, and I'm really excited to share that with you too. So I hope you try it. I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.